Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can scan a QR code in Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. There is the home section, search, here you're going to find your library, and lastly, the option to upgrade to premium if you don't have the premium subscription. So right now, I'm going to go to the search bar. So basically, guys, once you're here in this search section, you're going to find your search bar. And here you're going to find also some categories. And here in the top right corner, you're going to find this camera icon. If you click on it, you're going to be able to scan the Spotify codes. So right here, as you can see, guys, everything on Spotify has a code for sharing. Scan it with your phone and you'll be sent straight to that song, podcast, artist, or playlist. Go ahead and click on scan. And then, as you can see, guys, you need to give Spotify the permission to access your camera. So I'm going to click on while using the app. And then once you do that, you're going to be able to scan all of the Spotify codes. If you want to get the Spotify code from any song, just go ahead and search for the song you want to get the code for. So, for example, I'm going to go to this podcast. So, once you're here, go to the top right corner. You're going to find these three dots. Go ahead and click on them and then scroll all the way down. Here in the bottom, you're going to find show Spotify code. Go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, guys, this is the code for this song. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.